Hello my creative friends, Olga Soby here. Today I want to do a funnel ripple pour. Is when you lift the funnel in quick short moves and that creates a ripple effect. So not so long ago I did this technique with the Artist Loft premixed paint, and I also added silicone to it, and I got a really awesome cells explosion effect. And in case you haven't seen that video, I'm gonna include the link here in the corner. So I got really amazing feedback from you guys on that technique and that video. So today I'm gonna do this again. I'm just gonna do different colors and I'm gonna arrange everything slightly different. And if you also give this technique a try, you're most welcome to share your pictures, your results in our Facebook group. So yeah, let's go. So I just added 1 drop of silicone per color and I'm mixing it in. All the colors, details, and other supplies that I'm using you can find in the description of this video. New Lazy Susan is drying right now with some nice skins, so I'm gonna just use my old one. And this is a 10 by 10 canvas. I'm not gonna apply any base layer today like I did for my last funnel cells explosion pour. So let's see how it works without it. I'm gonna add some white right here. Trying to carefully layer all of my colors today. Let's see what effect that creates instead of just pouring everything in the center. Might need to touch up the corners later, but I think that's more than enough paint for now. Okay, now I'm gonna lift the funnel in short, quick movements and put it back. And as I lift it, I'm gonna release a little bit of paint and then put it back, and then again release a little bit of paint, and yeah, create a ripple effect. So let's go. See some of the cells already showing up, but not much. Okay, the funnel looks so beautiful. Can you see it, guys? Now before I'm gonna spin the canvas, I'm gonna torch it and create some cells. Obviously my canvas is not perfectly level today because some of the paint is shifting. Oh well, there's nothing I can do at this point. Okay. The fun part! Woohoo! Oh my goodness. Isn't this like a very happy moment to see all the cells popping up? With this technique, the cells are pretty small because the colors are overmixing a lot, and I think this is That's because they all go through the stem of the funnel. But I'm gonna spin the canvas just in a moment. I really don't care about these cells right here. They're a little overworked, but the center looks beautiful, and I ended up having just like primary colors in here with yellow, red, and blue. That looks really beautiful. So that should work out pretty well with, I don't mind if I lose a little bit of this. Actually, these cells right here look really nice too. Okay, wow. Okay, I love this corner. Okay, I think from here I'm gonna tilt instead of spinning because I love this side. I don't want to lose it. Now I see I have some gold right in the center. That's perfect. Okay, to help this paint stretch, I'm going to add some leftover yellow here. I'm not gonna keep any of that. I'm just gonna use it to help my colors flow on the canvas. Bring it back to the center. Touch up some of these corners. Alright, let's do this side. Oh, this side is just fabulous. I love it. Love it. All right, I think this side looks absolutely perfect. I kind of wish this side looked the same way. Like, I wish I had a little less yellow and more of this blue because this is so good. But I still like this side too because some beautiful multicolor cells, and just like with my last cells explosion pour, again I got this effect with cell inside of the cell inside of the cell, so that's awesome. I don't think I should play with it anymore because I really don't want to ruin this part. And I see that I have a lot of gold here and there, so really can't wait to see how it dries. Alright guys, let me bring you for a close-up. So this one is actually very different from my first cells explosion because I stretched cells a lot more today, so they are much bigger than the last time. But see, can you see this multi-cell effect? Like, can you see rings inside of the cell? Let me bring you closer. Okay, my camera doesn't want to focus. Oh, there you go. Okay, so I'm sure now you see it. Oh, this is fabulous. My goodness, I love it. I absolutely love it. You know what? It reminds me of the firework. Like the firework explosion. I'm sorry about my camera. I'm not sure what's going on today. It really doesn't want to stay focused because I'm moving too much. Anyways, please let me know what you think. As always, I would love to hear from you. Let me know what are the color combos you would like to see for this technique. And as always, thank you so much for watching. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. If you want to see more different acrylic pouring experiments, techniques, and all that good stuff. Alright, see you in the next video. Happy pouring. Bye bye.